large and very costly. EasyPCR, the next startup I want to invite, has managed to reduce the size of the PCR machine and the cost by a factor of 10. Please welcome Apostolos.
Hello everyone, my name is Apostolos. I'm an electronic engineer and the co-founder of EasyPCR. Polymerase chain reaction. PCR is a technique that amplifies the DNA to millions of copies. Once it's amplified, it's very easy to detect pathogens, bacteria, diseases. Traditional PCR instruments that exist in the market are very large, heavy, and extremely expensive. At EasyPCR, we design and manufacture a portable PCR instrument, offering solutions for scientists, researchers, healthcare professionals. We achieved to reduce the size and the price by a factor of 10. We are super happy to announce that our device is running in the Department of Health and Science in the University of Utrecht. We raised 250K in order to continue to develop our device and complete our roadmap. And one last thing, are you ready to join the DNA revolution? Thank you.